With this exercise, I'm going to show you how to do an animation. We're going to do a loop animation that goes from image number 1, as you can see it here on my layers window, and then to image number 2, and then back to image number 1 to complete the loop. So you're going to need 3 frames. To get started, I'm going to open the animation window. I'm going to go to the window menu, open the animation window. It's usually going to open at the bottom of your screen. And I need to set up 3 frames because it's going to go from 1 to image 2 and back to image 1. That's 3 frames. From the submenu, the upper right corner of the animation field, we're going to select New Frame. And we'll do it again because we need 3 frames to complete this animation. So you can see we have 3 frames right now. They all have the same image of the kayakers. So what we want to do is we want to go select the frame number 1, that's the right image. That's the image we're going to start the animation. Go to frame number 2 and turn off the image of the kayakers and turn on the second image, those kids embracing. And 3 is the correct image because that's going to complete the loop. We're going to go from 1, 2, and 3. So now we need to make the transition frames, what is called twinning. So we're going to select number 1 and number 2, and we're going to go to this button here, which allows me to twin the main frames. I'm going to tell them to add 5 frames in between, and I'm going to click OK. And that has added 5 frames in between my main frames. So right now, number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are twin frames. So I'm going to select those, click on number 2, and then shift click on 3, 4, 5, and 6 to select that in between frames, what is called the twin frames. And I'm going to change the delay time for those frames by clicking where it says 2 seconds right now. I'm going to bring those down to just half a second. So I'm going to do the same for the last 2 main frames, which is the kids embracing and back to the kayakers to close the loop. So I'm going to select those 2, click on the twin button, and then click OK. That's going to add 5 additional in-between frames that generate a transition. So I'm going to select those and change the time delay on those to half a second. So I'm going to go back to frame number 1. I'm going to turn off my guides by pressing Command semicolon, press the play button to see my animation live. I'm going to stop the animation. Every time you make changes, make sure that before you make any changes, go back to the very first frame on your animation sequence. One of the things that you can change here is for the first frame, I usually give it a 5-second delay time. That way allows for all the images on my portal page to upload before the animation kicks in. Also, you can tell them how many times you want it to loop. Here we have it as 3 times. If you click in that little arrow, you can tell it forever, only once. If you want to do a different setting, just click on Other, and let's just do it 4 times. Click OK. That's it for setting up an animation sequence.